Hello everyone. Today, we will guide you through the entire process of registering on Binance, funding your account, and getting started with futures trading. Even if you are completely new, you can easily follow along step by step. You can find the official sign-up link in the description below this video. By registering through that link, you will receive a 20% discount on trading fees. Make sure to use the link so you can take advantage of these benefits. First, let's go over how to create your Binance account. When you click the link in the description, you will be directed to the Binance homepage. Once the page loads, the 20% fee discount will already be applied. You may also notice various promotional offers displayed on the screen. At this point, you can sign up using either your email address or phone number. After entering your information, check the box to agree to the terms of service. Then click the Continue button to move forward. Next, complete a simple image verification step. Select the image that matches the word shown on your screen. After that, a verification code will be sent to your email or phone. Enter the code to confirm your account. Now, create a strong and secure password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long and include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. If there is a referral code field, enter SKY333. If you enter this code, you will receive a 20% commission discount and an additional reward. So it is strongly recommended to enter the code before completing registration. Once finished, your Binance account will be successfully created. Next, we will proceed with KYC verification. KYC is required for deposits, withdrawals, and trading. Since this process includes facial recognition, we will use a smartphone. Download and open the Binance app on your phone. Log in using your newly created account. The app will guide you to the verification section automatically. First, select your nationality. For this example, we will choose India. Next, choose the type of identification document. In this case, we will use a passport. Tap the Take Pictures button to begin. Then press Continue to allow camera access. Make sure your passport is clearly visible when taking the photo. Avoid glare or shadows on the document. Next is the facial verification step. Follow the instructions shown on the screen carefully. Once completed, your verification request will be submitted. The review usually takes about 1 hour. After approval, your account will be fully verified. Now, let's enhance your account security using Google Authenticator. Go to the account menu on the PC version. Then navigate to the security section. Click Manage to access your settings. Select Enable Authenticator app. Enter the verification code sent to your email or phone. A QR code will appear on your screen. Download and open the Google Authenticator app. Press the plus icon located at the bottom right corner. Choose the option to scan a QR code. Scan the QR code shown on your Binance screen. The app will start generating a 6-digit code. Return to Binance and click Next. Input the 6-digit sequence currently shown in your Google Authenticator app. Once completed, two-factor authentication will be enabled. Secondly, let's take a closer look at how peer-to-peer trading works on the Binance platform. Begin by clicking the wallet icon located at the top right corner of your screen. The spot wallet contains funds used for regular spot trading activities. On the other hand, the futures wallet is specifically designated for futures trading. At this step, please select the spot wallet. Next, click on the deposit button positioned in the upper right area. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled Buy with USD via peer-to-peer. Carefully review the terms and conditions presented on the screen and agree to them. Tick the confirmation box and press the button below to continue. To begin purchasing, switch to the Buy tab. Choose USDT as the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. USDT is known for its price stability and high trading liquidity. Then, select your local currency and enter the amount you intend to spend. After that, pick your preferred payment method. You will then see a list of sellers offering USDT. For safety, it is recommended to choose merchants with a large number of completed transactions. Also, review their ratings and completion rates before making a decision. Once you find a reliable seller, click the Buy USDT button next to their listing. Before proceeding, carefully read the payment instructions provided by the seller. Enter the exact amount of USDT you want to purchase. If everything looks correct, click Buy USDT to proceed. On the next screen, the seller's name and bank account details will be shown. Depending on the payment method, a QR code may also be provided. Before making the transfer, check any additional instructions in the chat section. Then, complete the payment using your selected method. Once the payment is done, return to the Binance app screen. Click Transferred, notify seller to inform the seller of your payment. Upload 1 to 3 images as proof of your transaction. Then, check the box to confirm your agreement with the statement. Finally, press Confirm to complete this step. After a short wait, click the wallet icon again. Go back to the spot wallet from the available options. You should now see that your USDT balance has been successfully updated. Finally, let's go step by step through how to trade futures on Binance. Before opening any futures position, you need to move your funds first. Start by going to your spot wallet. Then click the transfer button at the top right corner. Set the transfer direction from fiat and spot to USDM futures. Next, select the asset you want to transfer. Enter the exact amount you wish to move. Double-check the details and click Confirm. Within seconds, your funds will appear in the futures wallet. To start your trading journey, click on Futures from the main navigation bar. From the options, select USDM Futures. You will now enter the futures trading interface. Click the icon in the top left corner to view the full market list. Choose the trading pair you want to trade. On the right side, you will see the order panel and position controls. First, configure your margin mode. With cross margin, your entire balance is used as collateral. With isolated margin, only the assigned amount is at risk. For beginners, isolated margin is usually the safer option. Next, adjust your leverage setting. Binance allows leverage up to 150x. Higher leverage increases potential profit but also increases risk. If you are new, using 3x to 5x leverage is recommended. Below that, choose your order type. A limit order lets you set your desired entry price. A market order executes instantly at the current market price. Under these settings, you can check your available balance. Enter your desired price and quantity. Now, decide the direction of your trade. If you expect the price to go up, click Buy to open a long position. If you expect the price to go down, click Sell to open a short position. To monitor your position, go to the Positions tab at the bottom. There, you can view detailed information about your trade. Entry price shows the average price of your position. Mark price represents the current reference market price. If the price hits the liquidation level, the position will close automatically. P&L displays your real-time profit or loss. To manage risk, click the pencil icon next to TPSL. You can also close your position from this section. When you want to exit, select Close All with Market. Then choose either Market or Limit to finalize the order. Once completed, your position will be fully closed. In this video, we covered the complete process from setting up a Binance account to executing futures trades. Each step was explained in a clear and structured way so that even beginners can follow along without difficulty. Your support through likes and subscriptions helps this channel grow and reach a wider audience. Thank you sincerely for your time and for watching until the very end.